Hi, this is Rory Singh from the PowerhouseMarketer.com. Today I'm just doing a quick review on Resonance Capital and also the domain resonancecapital.eu. Okay. Uh, Domain was registered on July 13th, 2016. Okay. They're seeming to claim that were launched back earlier at the beginning of this year in 2017. That I'm unsure if that's the case. Okay. Most of the opportunities or the investment platforms that I've been reviewing lately, it seems like are brand new startups. Some of the domains that some of the systems that were launched just this month, um, hundreds, maybe even thousands of systems based on the idea of cryptocurrencies. A lot of them launched on the same month they created the domain and privately registered it. Anyways, with Resonance Capital, it seems to be anonymous ownership. Okay, which is the seems to be the going trend nowadays. There's a reason for that, and you can just fill in the blanks as to why the great majority of system platform owners that are asking for your money as an investment are remaining anonymous. So why is that? Always ask questions. Um, what I liked about Resonance Capital, um, they're claiming that they're based in Estonia. Okay, most people are pretending. I seen just this week some a few guys in Russia started a platform, and they're trying to claim that they're in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, where the laws are strict, right? And when I looked into it further on that platform, it seemed like, well, it didn't seem. What it was a virtual office company that rents out virtual office space. So if you have an opportunity in Estonia, you could pretend you were, or in Russia, you could pretend you were. It was actually physically based in Canada, giving the people a false idea that it's a legitimate company because they're saying openly saying that they're based in Canada or the U.S. as an example, where the laws are strict. But these guys at Resonance Capital don't seem to be doing that. They seem to be claiming that they're based in Estonia, which they are, and an Alexa search is confirming that the great majority of traffic seems to be coming from Russia and Nigeria, as well as other parts of the world. Okay, so what I did like was at least some honesty there. And the first level that you can invest here, okay, cost to join. It's low cost, between $5 to $50. Seems to be $50 to participate fully, which isn't much, right? But you don't want to just blindly throw money into things and lose your $50. Money's money. Doesn't matter if you are wealthy or if you're just struggling and just living paycheck to paycheck. The more wealthier people are, the more smarter they are with their money, even if it's $50. Okay, even if it's $5. Wealthy people don't throw money away, even if some people might think that they do. The great majority of wealthy people are smart and make very strict and calculated decisions. Okay, I've heard that if you look up what an entrepreneur is on Google, they take you to a Wikipedia definition, which would be a risk-taking person. Calculated risks. Entrepreneurs have learned how to take calculated risks where the odds are in their favor and not against them. Okay, so ROI seems to be 112% ROI. Okay, 365-day maturity period though. I didn't like that part. So you're gonna have to, if I'm right, you're gonna have to wait 360 the whole year before you realize if you've made money or not. Um, I don't like that idea. I don't know if you like that idea. Um, Maybe they'll change that, right? Because that's something to think about. Usually, what these type of systems, how they work, is that revenue is created. A great majority of these systems, guys, 99.9% of these systems are created through the sponsoring recruiting, team building, um, that way. the business opportunity side of things. But the problem is that the great majority of these platforms are claiming that their revenue is being created by legitimate trading. A lot of the cryptocurrency deals that are popping out of the woodwork are claiming that their revenue is being created on the investment, the trading of cryptocurrencies, legitimate mining, etc., and none of them are proving it. Okay, the problem is that part, proving it. See, usually if a company is making enough money based on investing, why would they open it up to the MLM side of things? So you always got to question things. If it's fire your boss that you're trying to do right now. Okay, so I would say proceed with caution here. Another thing I did like, I forgot to mention, was one of the first packages that you could get started here would cost you $5, right? And they call it test. Okay, and that's pretty funny to me because I liked it because it made me laugh, because they're actually being honest here. They're saying most people are going to test the waters with $5 to see if a thing's going to work, if it's going to pay out. And it is a test. A lot of people are chasing cryptocurrency deals, false deals, because they're based around the idea of sponsoring recruiting instead of really creating revenue through trading, which I'm going to say 99.9% are not doing. Revenues being created through the MLM side of things, and it's not even MLM, because a legitimate MLM has products and services, guys, but the great majority of people who are buying into these schemes don't like MLM. They hate it, and they hate sponsoring recruiting. And isn't that ironic? And that's crazy. And the great majority of people that are gonna get into these deals don't like MLM, but are getting in because they got sponsored and recruited. Okay, so conclusion. Use your common sense. Use your God-given intuition. Okay, I would proceed with caution with this one, and don't invest any more than you're willing to lose, because most likely I'm going to say that you're going to most likely lose. Most likely you're going to lose it. Okay, how these schemes work are the leaders make the lion's shares of the profit. The system owners make even more than that because they own it. Most of them remain anonymous so they could shut down and just run away with your money. Schemes collapse. It's not a question of if they collapse. They all end up collapsing due to the lack of recruitment. Once the recruitment dies down, the leaders get bored and they start marketing some other shiny objects, or the authorities shut them down, and that's another reason that they remain anonymous. So use your own senses, your own common sense. Even I don't even think you need intuition, and don't invest any more than you're willing to lose. Okay. Now the rest of you who are just curious and are looking for a legitimate way to make money online for yourself, the great majority of people who have done so already online before you have done so by learning the skill sets of marketing, like generating your own traffic, generating your own leads, and converting all of that into money in your bank account and new team members even, as well as affiliate marketing. Most people have changed their lifestyle based on affiliate marketing, becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Powerful system lower below. Click the link, and it incorporates everything that I just mentioned that you would need in order to have success and replace your income online, if that's what you're looking for, as well as a very lucrative, legitimate opportunity. And I can prove all of that stuff that I just said. Just click the link lower below, take the first step there. Again, my name is Rory Singh from thepowerhousemarketer.com. Hopefully you got some value here today, and hopefully you consider a lot of what I just said. Take care.